Introducing you to the brand new 2025 plated XE55 by Xcmg, weighing in at 5.7 tons. It is a 30.7 kilowatt Kubota V2403 engine. Starting at the dipper end, quick hitch pipe work comes as standard from the factory. We have dual proportional lines, both auxiliary 1 and 2. Auxiliary 1 is capable of bi-directional and also single directional. Standard dozer blade, or we also have a floating dozer blade as an option from the factory. Moving into the cab, we have a Bluetooth radio, proportional joysticks, fully adjustable seat, as well as air conditioning for the operator comfort. Into the engine bay, we have a Kubota V2403 30.7 kilowatt engine. All of the engine maintenance filters are easily accessible, allowing for quick and effective maintenance. This machine is capable for all of your digging needs, and it's got plenty of power. We even have variable options from factory specification to varying dipper lengths depending on the customer's needs.